In this video, we will show you how to hang and style a gorgeous wall teester. Make sure you have all of your necessary supplies. You will need a power drill, pencil, screws, level, and tape measure. First, you will center the mounting bracket on the wall. Level it, and mark the screw locations with a pencil. We recommend finding a stud and using at least 4 holes. Secure a screw into each of the marked locations using a power drill. The teester will then slide onto the mounted bracket using the mounting tabs. Before you mount your teester, you should hang your panels. Take out the removable bar and insert it into the rod pocket of your panel. Push the first panel to the side and repeat the same motion with your second panel. When they are both all the way on, you will place the curtains on the back side of the teester. Insert the removable rod back into the teester. Make sure the rod sits on top of the support after the fabric is installed and the rod is secured into the side support brackets. One panel should be on each side of the middle metal bar. You will then pick up the teester and panels and place the entire teester onto the wall-mounted bracket. Be sure that it is sitting all of the way down on the slots. This is what the final product will look like before styling. To style, you will fluff and adjust the fabric as needed. To use tiebacks with your teester, measure the desired distance, mark your spot, then drill a screw into that location and hang the tieback on the wall. Place the panel over the tieback and then fluff and adjust until you have your desired look. Our teesters are available in many styles and finishes. They can be used above a headboard or with tiebacks to give any room an added layer of texture and design. Please explore our website to find these products as well as many others, and let us help you create a home like no other.